Thank you, sir.
I'm also fine. Sit down. You are in class. No, sir, in class. You are playing games, laughing. You don't know them. Hey, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
What's your name?
I'm in Chan.
Etan. Can you spell me America? Okay, spell me America.
America. A-M-E-R-I-C-A. America.
Hey, go for him. Learn how to sit down. Can you spell me book?
Book. B-O-O-K.
Come on, this guy. How are you?
Sound fine.
What's your name?
Sir.
2 plus 2.
Say again.
I said 2 plus 2.
Say 2.
Hey, clap for him for me. I like you, man. Can you spell it? Hey, you want to kiss me? I said spell it. Hey, let her. Let her. Nonsense. Are you a student or teacher?
Yeah, I'm a student.
Why you want to get space?
I have a problem with my eyes. I can't see from my phone.
Okay, spell me space.
It's spectacle, it's not spec.
It's
Spectacle.
okay, spell me.
Spectacle. S-P-E-C-T-A-C-L-E.
Hey, clap for him. I like it. Spell me book. W-O. No. That's a big S. Go down. Are you many guy or Ghana guy?
Sir, I'm Togo.
Oh, sorry. Can you spell Togo?
Togo. W-K-S-R.
Bring B there.
Sir, it is true.
You are too tall. Let her. Huh? Can't spell me. Let her.
How are you?
Sexy.
S-E-X-Y.
Hey, come on, this girl. I like this girl. Ofri, are you Ghana or Nigeria?
Sir, Nigeria.
You're Nigeria. Oh, get me. I like Ofri. I like you. Can you spell me Ofri after Ofri? Spell Nigeria.
Sir, Ofri. O-F-I-R-I. Ofri. Nigeria. And
What was it Ofri? Let's see. But let me shoot you one. Let's see. No, go down. I'm not giving you because you. Father! Is it father or schoolboy?
Father.
Is it father?
Father, schoolboy.
Hey!
Father, schoolboy.
You are too big, oh!
He's my father.
What the What is going on here? I said, what is going on here? A new teacher?
Yes, sir.
Which new teacher? Hey, my friend, come here. Are you a new teacher in this school?
I understand this one.
Stupid. You came to this school only today and you are beating your classmate. Why are you hiding yourself? Come here, come inside. I said come inside. Come. Sit down, sit down. What was that?
That he beat us.
He beat you?
Yes, sir.
Don't worry. Make sure you apologize to all the class. Go and sit down.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Promise us.
Oh, I promise you, okay? Sit down. Hey, sit down. Okay. Quiet. Today we are going to learn about Genoa Norwich.
Baby, oh, come and sit down in my chair, please.
Hey, sit down. Okay. Sit down. Okay. Class, who is the chief security of Ghana? Yes, my dear. Are you sure? Oh, wrong. Yes, my dear. No. Oh, no. Yes. No. Yes, my dear. Oh, come on. No. You, Yamare.
Baba Karim.
Yes. Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Is there a reshuffle?
No, Baba Karim knows the reshuffle. Baba Karim is best Ottoman in the area.
You are stupid. Laugh for him. I said laugh. I didn't say crap. It's wrong. Okay, guys. The chief security of Ghana is your Excellency Nana Addo-Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Huh? Hey, what is this?
Prepaid late coming.
Oh, okay. Then we talk about it later, okay?
It's rather unfortunate I won't be able to go with you guys today.
Why?
I'm feeling alright. I want to go to the hospital to check on my miserable.
Then we'll go with you.
No.
Are you sure you're going to the hospital?
Of course, yes, I'm going to the hospital.
Then we will go with you.
No. To check on my
Hello.
Are you sure you're going to the hospital?
Good afternoon.
Of course, yes.
Are you sure?
Excuse me.
Excuse me, you need to see your sister.
Okay, see you later.
No, you guys should wait for me.
Okay.
That's all.
How are you, Aso?
I'm fine.
That's all. After school, what are you going to do today?
Today I'll be going to the hospital to check on my menstrual period.
Listen to me. After the school, I'll go to the hospital to check my miserable period.
You?
Yeah.
Me too. Never.
You are rushing. Why the rushing?
Why rushing?
You are rushing this girl.
To talk.
Please, I say, go baby, lady.
All of you are great for class.
Okay. Next, I'll come to class 10, okay?
Please can you help me clean this thing up?
What is that?
I spilled my dress.
No, I can't.
Please, I don't do it.
Okay, come.
Which one? It's okay. Thank you.
Do it now.
Okay, sit down. Keep quiet. Class, today we are going to talk about masculine and feminine. You get me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We are going to give a name, either a female or male. Then, when I mention the name, then you give the opposite. Okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Bachelor. Yes. Okay. And liar. Okay. Okay. And man. Yes. Okay, thank you. Okay. Mr. Bonsu. If Mr. Bonsu, if a man is Mr. Bonsu, the woman will be what? Yes? It's a crowd. Okay, then if the male monkey is Mr. Monkey and female monkey is what? Yes? Yes?
This is monkey.
Reset is closing time.
Okay. Then also make sure you bring assignment and your parents are there, okay?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.